Welcome to 61095 Honkers Court, located in Bend, Oregon. This single-level home is in great condition, has a brand new roof, and has about a 3.6 kilowatt solar system, saving $50 to $80 per month in electricity. There's RV parking and a gate right here to get to the expansive backyard. Great location, in good condition, a very efficient floor plan, and it's located in a cul-de-sac. Moving through the front door and foyer that it's tiled into the great room area. The living room space with 9-foot ceilings, slider to the big backyard. This is a huge lot. The separator, pretty nice to have for a place to put your couch up against that wall. Still have an electrical outlet too, so you can plug in, have a lamp. There's a breakfast bar. The seating nook is cool, has a storage container there if you flip up the seat. All the appliances are in perfect condition. It's light, bright, great storage in here. The entrance there, nice wooden door, tiled floor. Coat closet I just passed on the left, also kind of flexes as a linens closet. Primary has a ceiling fan, big window. Closet situation is very good. You've got the bypass closet there. And then a walk-in closet here. This has access directly into the crawl space as well. Into the primary bath. Lots of floor space. Room for some, if you need some kind of dresser or a stand. Big tub shower combination, some built-ins. I like the obscured glass window. It's handy, don't have to use blinds and can still get that natural light. Moving past onto the guest bedrooms. It's all in great shape. Paint's clean and sharp. Carpet's been recently shampooed and in good condition. These windows are southern facing, so they get lots of natural light. And the guest bathroom right here in the middle. Good tub shower combo. Everything's in perfect shape. And finally, the utility room at the end. Washer and dryer included. Nice storage, and the door out to the garage. Just a fantastic setup. Everything's in pristine condition, turnkey, and ready to go. The double attached garage, electrical panels right there, fully insulated. The sprinkler controller timer, water heater, door to the backyard, and this cool little bouldering wall. Neat feature to have so you can get some exercise when you're not out climbing at Smith or in the other locations. Here in the backyard, a bit of a blank slate, but it is huge and it's a very usable area. Nice big trees. Could put in a sprinkler system and have a really big yard. Little covered area off the back of the garage. And then your storage shed. Great to have that for lawn equipment and everything. And then this gate in the side, so you have RV parking back here. You can get back with larger vehicles, trailers, lots of functionality added by having this little kick out on the side to get to this big backyard.